Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this heavy-duty truck we're looking at today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot when it comes to the heavy-duty line, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're featuring a Ram 3500 HD with the Cummins diesel motor in it. Starting off on the front, you're going to notice we do have the upgraded front bumper with the upgraded front grille. With that chrome package, it definitely pops out. Running along the side, you're going to notice the really nice chrome clad 16-inch rim you got there, wrapped in a real nice heavy-duty LT tire. Also on the side, you're going to notice you do have the chrome accent piece that runs down the center doors. This is a crew cab, as you can see here, guys, and it does have the Knapheide 9-foot service box put on here. Inside this service box, on the front compartment, on both sides, you're going to notice you have your really nice storage bin with your dividers located in there. And then you're going to have your horizontal running cargo bay right there. You can store longer stuff. And then in the back, you do have your other storage bin here, which it does come with dividers that can be set in here to divide stuff up, or that can also come out. Moving on to the back of the vehicle, you are going to notice we do have the factory backup camera built into the back of this vehicle right there. And we also are going to have your trailer tow hitch with your 7-pin wiring hookup. 9-foot service body. The service body has been painted to match, so there's no worries about being a different color. We had it sent out and specially painted to match the truck exactly. You're going to notice you also in the rear you do have your chrome wheels. Plenty of storage bins throughout, as you can see. A total of 6 storage bins, 3 on each side, and all the storage bins on both sides are matching, so whatever's on the passenger side is going to be the same size on the driver's side. This vehicle is bright red in color, and like I said, it does have a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel motor in it. It also is equipped with a really nice transmission that's built in this. This is the automatic transmission, and it does have your trailer tow mirrors, as you can see on there, and they just do flip down for if you're not using it when pulling. On the inside of the vehicle, you're going to have your power mirrors located right up here, your power windows, and your power locks in the specific unit. This specific unit does have automatic overhead headlights. On the inside of this vehicle, on the left-hand side, these 4 buttons down here are going to operate your instrument cluster that's located right here in the center between your RPM and your miles per hour gauge. It'll show you a magnitude of different features. Like right now, it's set on miles per hour. It can also be changed to different features, just depending on what you're looking at. Vehicle information, fuel economy, your trip, and a couple other really nice features that are built in there. Also on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all the controls for your Bluetooth capability, so you can program your phone directly into this truck, and you can simply answer your phone by pushing the button. No more reaching for your cell phone. You do it all from throughout your surround sound system speakers, all by a touch of a button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your cruise control settings located on these 4 buttons right here. And then you do have your nice radio here. It does have your AM and your FM capability, which is a nice feature. And it also does have Sirius XM radio on this. And with you, when you buy this vehicle brand new, you do get a free subscription. It has media capability where you can program media directly into it. And your presets can be preset right here for your radio station. Volume and you can change the channel right here. Then right under that, you're going to have all your controls to operate your heat and air inside the cab. And then you also have tow haul feature built into this, and also an exhaust brake built in, which is a really nice feature when pulling them heavy loads. Also, we have a factory trailer tow brake control built right in here with 5 auxiliary hookups located right here, which is another really nice feature. Like I said, guys, this is a 4-wheel drive unit, so it does have 4 low pushed up top, and then your neutral capability, and then 2 high, which will be in the majority of the time, and then your 4 high located all the way towards the rear. This is a split seat here, and it does have the upgraded HD leather in it, or not leather, but vinyl. As you can see, it can be flipped up to where it is a 6-passenger, or it can simply be laid down with that center armrest with cup holders. Inside that center armrest, you do have a nice little cubby hole built in there, and it does have some USB auxiliary plugins also in there. And like I said, it does have the work grade upgraded Ram vinyl throughout the front and the rear of this van, which is a really nice feature when getting in and out of the job site. No longer have to wipe down easily, no longer have to worry about stains and everything on it. And you can also notice we did opt to not put the carpet in it, so for ease of cleaning this vehicle. In the back seat, you have a very spacious back seat, and this back bench does fold up for more storage underneath the back seat. The back's got plenty of leg room. I'm a 6-foot tall guy. I can sit back here very comfortably, especially if you're going on long trips to the next job site. We've got guys in the back. They'll definitely be comfortable sitting back there. Again, guys, this is a brand new Ram 3500 heavy duty with the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel motor in it. This has the 410 rear end in it, which is the upgraded rear end, which gives it the max tow capability in the 3500 chassis. Also, this vehicle does have the chrome appearance package, as you can see on the front and along the sides. Backup camera built into this thing from the factory, and many more options. Upgraded vinyl, rubber flooring, and many, many more. If you're looking for this vehicle in particular and want to see all the still pictures of it and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new videos as soon as they arrive to the lot as far as the vehicle goes. And for the guaranteed best price on any commercial vehicle, please visit us at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, or on our website at sherrychrysler.com.